Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into account. Samsung.com or the Samsung Members app. Enter your email and password so you can access security settings. Once signed in, navigate directly to security and two-step verification to begin changing the phone number. This is critical because Samsung requires proof before edits. Make sure your current verification device can receive a one-time code. If it can't, stop and prepare alternate verification methods now. Proceed only when you have immediate access to codes and account credentials. You will be asked to verify identity before editing the number. Follow prompts to send a one-time code to your registered device so Samsung confirms it's you. Once verified, choose Change Phone Number, type the new mobile number carefully, and pick SMS for simplicity or Authenticator app if you prefer. After submitting, Samsung sends a confirmation code to the new number. Enter that code to bind the number. If you see options for backup codes or secondary devices, enable them now to prevent lockout. You finish by entering the confirmation code sent to the new phone. Once accepted, Samsung updates your two-step verification contact and displays a success message. Make sure to review the two-step verification status and add a backup phone or print backup codes so you can recover access if needed. If the code never arrives, check carrier delivery, confirm number format with country code, and retry. If problems persist, use your backup codes or contact Samsung support with account details ready for assisted recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.